Hi, this is Hirok Das. In this video, we'll discuss about the engineering services previous year's question, and this question is from analog electronics in the year 2000. Okay, the question is the op-amp circuit shown in the given figure is a high pass circuit, low pass circuit, band pass circuit, and all pass circuit. Okay, so we have to find and which circuit is it is. So this is a one kind of differential amplifier. Because this all both inverting and non-inverting input, a input of Vi is given, so we write this two part one of this, so we can separate this like that. This inverting amplifier part 1 and non-inverting amplifier part 2. Okay, then final output of this amplifier will be V0 equal to V01 inverting amplifier output plus V02 non-inverting amplifier output. That means V01, this is inverting amplifier output, and this is V02 non-inverting amplifier output. Okay, now first we measure the inverting amplifier output V01. What will be the value of V01? So value of V01 will be, it's a non-inverting amplifier, sorry, inverting amplifier. So output will be minus feedback 1 by Cs by R into Vi, that means input. So minus 1 by RCS into Vi. This is V01. Okay, now we calculate the value of V02 of this non-inverting amplifier. V02, we calculate the V02 of this non-inverting amplifier. V02, before calculate the V02, we have to find this point voltage. Okay, this point voltage, because this Vi is not the input of this non-inverting amplifier. Suppose this is Vi dash, so Vi dash is the input of this non-inverting amplifier, and Vi dash equal to, let's consider this loop. So this point, this acts like a voltage divider. So Vi dot equal to 1 by Cs divided by R plus 1 by Cs into Vi. Is like a just like the resistance divider, like in which like the resistance divider is work. So this point voltage is 1 by Cs divided by R plus 1 by Cs into Vi. Okay, now calculate this. This will be 1 plus RCS. Okay, 1 plus RCS, sorry, this will be 1 by Cs into Cs by 1 plus RCS into Vi, right? So Cs is cancel out, so it will be, value will be Vi divided by 1 plus RCS. Okay, now the V02, the output voltage of non-inverting amplifier V02 will be equal to, its feedback is R and C. Okay, now its value will be 1 plus feedback 1 by Cs by R into input, that means Vi dot, right? So it will be 1 plus 1 by RCS into Vi dot value is 1 by Vi dot value is this one. This is the Vi dot value. This value is equal to Vi divided by 1 plus RCS. Okay, so this value will be 1 plus RCS divided by RCS into Vi by 1 plus RCS. Okay, so this 1 plus RCS and this 1 plus RCS is cancel out. So the output of non-inverting amplifier V02 will be Vi by RCS. Okay, now the total output voltage we write before, V0 equal to V01 plus V02. Okay, so V01 value is we calculate here minus Vi by RCS plus V02 value we calculate here Vi plus this value V02 value. This V02 value we calculate here equal to Vi divided by RCS. Okay, so this value is cancel out to equal to 0. So V0 equal to output will be 0. So that means V0 output is 0. That means this circuit does not pass any signal. Okay, this circuit will not pass any frequency. Okay, it acts like a stop filter. It does not pass any frequency. So this 4 option is wrong. A high pass filter, no, does not pass any frequency. A low pass filter, no. A band pass filter, no. All pass filter, no. So this is, I think, all options are wrong, because the output voltage as V0 equal to 0, it will not pass any frequency. So in 2000 this question's answer is, I think, it's wrong. So just I write here, this circuit will not pass any frequency as its output voltage is 0. Okay, so that's all for that question. Thank you.